What's up, everybody? So I signed up for a class, Duck Hunting for Beginners, with the Wounded Warrior Project. I'm here at Bass Pro getting some last items before I go hit them up at the link up site. So, in the powers of YouTube, I'll meet you at the link up site. You ready? Choo! So I made it to the hotel. I love YouTube. That trick's amazing. So we checked in with the Wounded Warrior Project. We had dinner. We got our ammo. I have everything laid out for tomorrow. I got my Winchester SXP. So hopefully we can put a hurt on some of these ducks tomorrow. I've never done it, so this is gonna be one heck of a time. And you guys are riding shotgun, and I'll see you guys in the AM so we can link up with our guides, and let's get after it. Good morning, everybody. It's 3:30 in the morning. Went to the gas station to get me some coffee. You already know. Waiting to link up with all the rest of these warriors so we can convoy to the area where we're going to be hunting. Yeah, stick tuned. See you when we get there. So we made it to the blind spot. I got my guides with me. Mario's over there. Would happen to go to high school with me. How crazy is that? So get ready, because this is Wounded Warriors duck action. Let's get it.
Clover ahead behind us. Got that one. Got two. Come on, man. Let's go. Come on, girl. You can't smell it yet. Out. Out. Good girl.
Yeah,
good
Finley.
Dog. Good dog. Come on. Come on, girl. What a good Finley.
What a good Finley.
Here comes one. 12 o'clock. Oh, shoot. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Come on, girl.
I'm gonna film the dog first.
Okay. Come on, girl. That was a beautiful shot.
Thank you.
Come in low. 11 o'clock.
11?
Oh, that's a good girl.
You?
Here, come here.
Come this way.
Looks like another drake. Real pretty drake.
Another nice drake. Come here, girl. All right, I'm gonna shut the door over.
Okay, go.
See something.
Oh, and there goes the duck.
There goes another one. Wait, fucking bird watching here?
Yeah, we're watching around bird.
Real hunting or bird watching? You that hen back there? There's like a couple hens I keep hearing back there. Yeah.
And the only other thing we could do for that last duck, that's an osprey there.
Above us.
Finley pup. Finley dog.
So that was the trip. We got 6 ducks. It was an amazing time being with the Wounded Warriors. I'm going to leave all the links below so you guys can go check it out. I hope you guys sign up for some events. This definitely was something that I needed. It felt great to be around some soldiers again and shooting weapons. And what an amazing time. The stories. It was great. You guys should go definitely link up with the Wounded Warrior Projects and get out there and get out in the woods or whatever events you sign up for. Go sign up and get out there and you're not the only one that's struggling too. Let's go with that. So, what an amazing event. I hope you guys get after it. Thank you to my guides and anybody who helped put this on. Todd made a duck holder for me. How amazing is that? Pretty cool, huh? Mario, can't believe we went to high school together and we went and shot up some ducks together. You're an awesome dude. Can't wait to go out there again and kill it again on whatever hunting adventure we go on. To everybody else that was there, hit me up just in case you guys want to jump out in the water too, because we're going to get after diving, hunting, all kinds of stuff. So stay tuned. If you click on one of these, it's going to send you to another adventure. Go check it out. I'll see you there. Choo!